Good day. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can download and install Figma on your desktop. So for us to get started, we head straight to your browser and you can search the word Figma and then you get this. So we're clicking on the download Figma desktop. So once you open that, you'll be seeing different options here. So if you're on MacBook, you can click on this option. If you're on Windows, you can click on this option. So I've already have mine downloaded already. So you might be asked to register or to sign up before you can use the Figma. Please, I recommend you using your Gmail to do the sign up because it's easier to remember. So you can easily create an account. So after you must have created an account, so the Figma you downloaded, you can just go right to your download folder and then double click on it. So depending on how fast your computer is, so Figma will pop up, and then because I've already had mine installed already, so it can just resume back from where it was and open my previous work file. So once you have that, you're done with the installation.